Hey everybody, and welcome back to Spin It Tutorials. I'm Liam, and today I'm going to teach you how to play License Plate by Olivia Rodrigo. Start off, hopefully you've gone ahead and cleaned your trumpet for this one. Make sure that everything's working properly, everything's oiled up. If you're a novice player, I like to start with the old handy. That's what I call it. This mostly is for new trumpet players that have just started. That's where you get your handing just right to play as efficiently as you can, and make sure that you're pressing everything that you can. So what you do is you take your thumb and put it right under this first bronze piece of metal here, and then follow that up with putting your pinky right in that little circular ring there. You see that? So just put it right in there. Now you're ready to play the song. So that's the first lyric. I got my driver's license last week. Alright, we're going to move on to the second part of the song. Oh, fuck me. It's okay if you don't get it right on the first try, but you're definitely gonna want to utilize this technique. If it does get too loud, because this song is pretty, it's a modern pop song, so it can get pretty loud. So you're gonna want to put a dampener on there. It dampens the sound, so you can hit high notes like that. This song in particular has a lot of high notes, like the L7 notes and the terminal 9 notes. So you're gonna want to hit these. That was the bridge of the song. So I'm going to show you a little trick. This is called the flipperoo. So what I like to do sometimes, this is kind of unconventional, but I like to flip the horn around and play from the other end. You'll notice there's subtle little hints of the trumpet in the song if you actually listen to it.